And we are back with another vlog. Raid Day Payday's back. We are up bright and early today just to go snowboarding. So right now I'm about to go to Willowbrook Mall just to catch a ride with Nick Carell, one of our guys. Beautiful day today. It's 19 degrees right now. I believe it's going to be snowing over there at Camelback, but it's not going to be as much as tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be like 5 inches. Today is, I believe, today's January 31st, so our last day of January. Hopefully we get a little bit more snow towards February so we could go snowboarding, but pretty much we're about to go on this trip, and let's get it. Let's enjoy our time and let's get you guys there with us. Peace for now. Alright guys, so I got some good news. Man. So right now I'm just waiting for Nick. You know, always late as usual. But I just checked the weather at Camelback Mountain Resort, and right now it is currently 15 degrees and it's snowing. You know how exciting that is? Some fresh powder straight from the top. We ready to snowboard this thing, like, oh my gosh. Luckily, I mean sadly actually, tomorrow is gonna be snowing 5 inches over there, but it's fine. You can't ask for too much, you know. Beggars can't be choosers. But it says, I believe it says so about 1 inch of snow is coming at Camelback today. Hopefully, we don't know how long we're gonna stay there for, but hopefully right now it's snowing, so we get that fresh powder in the morning, and we'll see how it goes from there. But real feel today is 15 degrees. Tonight though is -2 degrees is the real feel. It gets really cold up there, but we'll see you guys. We'll get some clips. We are probably gonna get something to eat, but that's pretty much it.
I got a dent on that side.
So hey, we got Nick right here. We're finally here.
Yeah, we made it.
Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're stopping by this place called Bagels Cafe, but hey, what do you have to say about this place?
Yo, fire bagels, fire rolls, everything breakfast.
Hey, he's bringing me to a spot right now. This is a spot. He said he goes here every morning. He buys bacon, egg, and cheese, 3 eggs. I don't know about 3 eggs, but we're gonna try this out. All right, guys. This is the breakfast of champions. I got 2 eggs, he got 3, but we munching right now. This looks pretty promising, so well, let's take one bite, and I will let you know how it is. All right. Okay. I'd probably give it a 8.1. 8.1. Maybe a little more cheese, but it's pretty good. What would you rate your favorite? A 10? Or no?
I would say like a 9.
A 9? A 9 for his top spot.
Just because the eggs are fully cooked. They don't overdo the ketchup, which I know you like the ketchup. And it doesn't just slide off the bun, I guess.
The roll.
Yeah.
But overall, it's pretty good. Shout out Bagel. I don't forget what they're called, but
Bagels for you.
Bagels for you. But we're on our way right now. We are about an hour away from Camelback. We got one of our guys over there already. Chris, he's waiting for us, so we're gonna get there by 9, and hopefully we see some fresh snow, and we'll see you guys.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Alright guys, so the only problem right now, today's Sunday, so it's a little packed, so right there is where you park. But Sunday, and it's packed, and we are having trouble finding parking, which is, you know, we knew that, but we're just trying to find parking, and then that's it. $10 parking right now we're not trying to pay more than $10. We'll walk. We'll gladly walk. But busy day today. Hopefully, you know, there's some spaces, but hopefully we're good. Alright guys, we're finally here. We're here at Camelback, all dressed up already. As you can see, got my board ready. Look, check this out. Check this new style out. You got Nick right here, brand new fit. He got North Face represent. But it is brick out here. Yo, it is brick. Like the real feel is probably like 7. But we're gonna get some clips in there. We got the mountain right here, as you can see. Better look with the mountain. But man, I can't believe I gotta use the bathroom too, man. We gotta go. But hey, we're gonna see y'all in the mountain. Hi guys, so we finally here. We in line right now. We got our guy Chris right here, all red right now. Check out this fit. That's a tough fit. But hey, check out this line though. It's a Sunday morning line right there. Probably like 20 more minutes, and then we'll get to the lift, and then we're gonna try to go down. We're gonna go down this. I forgot what this is called, but probably going down a blue. Is this a blue, right here? And then we'll.
Yeah.
Which one? If we take this way, yeah.
Yeah, it's black and then blue.
Yeah, so we're gonna go a few ways, and then we'll just get some clips in. But for now, alright guys, we're here at the slopes. Hey, the slope's looking good right now. Got Nick, we got Chris. We about to go. I don't know, but hey, there's some powder in here. It's not snowing yet, but hopefully it gets a little snow in here, make it look nice for the cam. But for now, we're gonna get some clips of us snowboarding, and welcome to Camelback Mountain. Alright, so as y'all saw, had some nice car videos over there by Chris right here. Got some by Nick too. I don't know where he's at, but he's taking videos right now. But hey, this is perfect, beautiful weather. I'm still wondering how it is gonna be tomorrow when it's friggin' 5 inches of fresh snow. But hey, this is yeah. Hey, we could stay here. If I had the money. If I had the money, but hey, this is a great place. A great place right now. Got kids here. Good stuff. Your phone died? Hey, his phone died, but I'm still good.
Yeah. All right, last ride I got charged up.
Hey, last ride before we go charge up. Chris is actually sadly leaving us early unless he changes his mind last second. But 3?
No, I want that shit.
But hey, this is enjoyable right now. Hey, check it out. Yeah, this is great. This is a good place to snowboard, you know? Camelback Mountain, Pennsylvania, baby. We'll be back. We'll get you some more clips and we'll catch y'all. All right, guys, we're still here. We got some good news. We got a little drizzle of snow. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. It's there. We've had our second run already. It's just the line's really long. Hey, the line's pretty long, and that's really it. We've been in for about 20 minutes. 20-minute line, maybe about to be 30-minute line. Other than that, snow's great. Powder is great. And, you know, we're enjoying our time here. But we're going to get a few more clips, and we'll catch y'all. All right, guys. So where are we at? Was this King Tut? All right, we don't know, but this is a blue all the way to the right side. But this is Chris's last one, so we're gonna enjoy this one. We're gonna take our time. I believe this is King Tut or something like that. King Tut, the blue, if that's blue. But King Tut right here. Let's go. We're back. We just finished probably like let's say 6 to 7 runs, maybe a little more. But we're just taking a break. Chris just left, and we're probably just gonna go get something to eat. So just a quick lunch break for us, and we'll probably get back in the mountain. And right now it's still snowing, and it's beautiful, man. Hey, look at this. Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at it. That's beautiful. But hey, we're gonna be back here. We're gonna snowboard again, hopefully, unless there's a lot more people, because the lines are 30 minutes long, and we don't know if we want to wait that long. But hey, hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips, and because those are some pretty tough clips, pretty nice crashes over there. But hey, we'll catch y'all. I'll let you guys know what happens. But peace for now. Alright, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that Camelback Ski Resort trip we had. Right now it was actually snowing pretty bad, so we've actually been driving. Usually our drive home takes an hour, but it got pretty much extended to 3 hours because it was snowing a lot and the roads were just not clear. Overall, Camelback was great and we enjoyed it. Had great powder and pretty much all the trails were open, so we tried a lot of trails. You know, definitely recommend it for anyone who enjoys snowboarding and all that. Maybe 2 hour. If I was 2 hours away, I'd take the drive. But if you're 3 hours away, I don't know. It's a little. There's probably other places you could go to. But we got Nick here. We're going with Nick. How do you feel about this Camelback? How's this Camelback trip?
Camelback was lit, man. Awesome. We actually got to snowboard when it was snowing. Other than that, dude, I would just say the lines, they could speed up the process, but you know, pandemic, so see what happens.
Yep. Hey, Camelback, maybe you could add another ski lift all the way to the right. No, but no, I'm just kidding. Hey, that's it. Pretty much the lines. That's the only thing I would complain about, the lines. But other than that, trails were great, and everything else was, you know, it's very powdery. So definitely enjoyed it. But for now, we will catch you guys in another vlog. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. There's gonna be more videos coming out, and make sure you guys stay safe. Stay safe on the snowy weather and drive safe. Peace. Alright guys, you guys have no idea how happy we are. Some terrifying roads, especially with this car. It's only I think front wheel, back wheel drive, but it's a 2-wheel drive. And look at my car. It's been snowing here. Now it says there's gonna be 5.5 inches of snow tomorrow, so maybe we might go snowboarding again tomorrow, but as of right now, we're happy. We're back in Jersey, nice and safe, cause yo, we went through it's an insane amount. Make sure you have an all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, always, when you go snowboarding in the Poconos, cause if it snows,
yo,
you're screwed.
It's a wrap, bro.
It's a wrap. So just make sure you have an all-wheel drive.
Unless you can drive.
Yeah, like him.
Go slow, and you'll make it.
Yep, but it's better safe than sorry. Remember that. Better safe than sorry. But we are signing out. Signing out, boys and girls. So peace on the streets.